Welcome back to Python for Beginners with AnnZee Learning. In Lesson 4, we'll explore data types. Every piece of information in Python has a type, and knowing them will make you a much stronger programmer. Let's meet the four main ones. A data type is simply the kind of value you're working with. Is it a whole number? A decimal? Some text? Or a yes or no value? Python has several types, and today we'll focus on the four you'll use most often. First, integers, or int for short. These are whole numbers, with no decimal point. Things you can count, like 5 apples, or the year 2026. No quotation marks are needed for numbers. Next, floats. A float is a number with a decimal point. Perfect for prices, like 1999, or measurements, like a temperature of 36.6. The decimal point is what makes it a float. Third, strings, or str. A string is text, and it always goes inside quotation marks. A name like Sarah, or a city like Lahore. Single or double quotes both work, as we saw earlier. Fourth, booleans, or bool. A boolean has just two possible values, true or false. They're perfect for yes or no situations, like, is the user online, or, has the payment been made? Notice that true and false start with a capital letter. Why do types matter? Because each type behaves differently. Numbers can do math, text can be joined together, and booleans help your program make decisions. Using the right type is the key to code that works. Not sure what type a value is? Just ask Python, using the type function. Here we check a number, a decimal, some text, and a boolean. Python tells us int, float, str, and bool. Very handy when you're learning. Let's combine them all. Here we describe a person using all four types: a string for the name, an integer for age, a float for height, and a boolean for student status. One line prints them all. A couple of things to watch out for. 25 inside quotes is text, not a number, so you can't do math with it. And remember, true and false must always start with a capital letter. Let's recap. You met Python's four main data types: integers, floats, strings, and booleans. You also learned to check any values type with the type function. Great job! In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into strings and learn how to work with text like a pro. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to AnnZee Learning. Happy coding!